attic vents are extraordinarily decayed, and so we are replacing them today, and Joe is in the attic hammering out the old vent. There it comes. He found some wasps up there too. Fortunately, there was a secondary layer of screening, so they weren't able to get into the house or into the attic. Looking good, Joe. He just needs to hammer the other side now, too. Gosh, I can't believe we're actually doing this. We bought 2 new vents from Home Depot, and we primed them and painted them and urethaned them, and so they're up there now ready to be installed. This is actually the better looking vent, believe it or not. You'll see the other one is pretty gross. The whole bottom half is decayed off of it. So it's amazing these even held up during the hurricane last year. Oh, there it goes. Awesome. Good job, Joe. How does it look?